If you own a yacht, a boat, a tug, or even just dream of spending more time on the water, this video is for you. Marine expenses can get out of control fast, from fuel and maintenance to insurance and unexpected repairs. But the good news is, with a few smart habits and strategies, you can significantly reduce those costs. Today, I'll show you 7 practical, tested ways to cut your boating expenses. In some cases, even by half. Let's dive in. 1. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper than repairs. One of the biggest mistakes boat owners make is waiting until something breaks. But in the marine world, prevention is everything. Regular oil changes, checking filters, inspecting the cooling system, and monitoring battery health can save you from expensive engine failures. It's not just about keeping the boat running. It's about avoiding breakdowns that could cost you thousands. 2. Lower fuel consumption by adjusting how you operate the boat. Many boaters cruise at high speeds just because the sea is calm or the weather is good. But every vessel has an optimal cruising speed, a point where fuel efficiency is at its peak. If you learn that sweet spot for your boat, you could save 20 to 30% on fuel over time. Also, remove unnecessary weight. The heavier the boat, the more fuel it burns. It's that simple. 3. Use smart navigation apps to plan efficient routes. In today's world, there's no excuse for inefficient routing. Apps like Navionics, Windy, or Savvy Navi can help you choose the shortest, safest, and most fuel-efficient paths. Avoiding areas with strong currents or headwinds can reduce both time and fuel waste. Every mile matters when you're burning marine fuel. 4. Apply anti-fouling paint to the hull. Marine growth like barnacles and algae on the hull increases drag, which makes your engine work harder and burn more fuel. A simple anti-fouling coating every season can keep your hull smooth and your boat efficient. It also helps reduce long-term maintenance on your propulsion system. 5. Buy supplies and equipment in bulk with other boaters. If you're docked at a marina or in a boating community, talk to other boat owners about making group purchases. Buying engine oil, filters, ropes, and safety equipment in bulk can give you access to wholesale prices and reduce delivery costs. Many suppliers are willing to offer solid discounts for volume orders. 6. Choose the right insurance plan. Many people pay for marine insurance packages that include services or features they never use. Instead of picking the most complete plan, go with one that matches your actual needs. Compare different providers. Some offer seasonal insurance, commercial coverage, or limited use plans at much better rates. Being overinsured is just another hidden expense. 7. Time your repairs and purchases wisely. If you know you'll need a repair or replacement part next month, don't wait until it's urgent. Off-season shopping, whether for services or spare parts, often comes with better prices and faster turnaround. Boat mechanics and shops are less busy, more focused, and usually offer discounts during slow periods. Each of these ideas is simple, but when used together, they can make a huge impact on your budget, whether you sail for work or for pleasure. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a fellow boater. Also, I'd love to hear your own cost-saving tips in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We have more videos coming soon to help you enjoy smarter and safer boating.